Ever wondered what's the latest buzz in the world of gardening? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the most captivating garden trends that are sprouting up. Stay tuned as we unveil the top trends in gardening right now. Leading the charge is sustainable gardening. This eco-conscious approach involves nurturing the land, reducing waste, and conserving resources. As we grapple with climate change, it's no wonder this practice is gaining traction. Sustainable gardening, a trend that's here to stay. Next up, the trend that's bringing nature indoors, indoor plants. These lush companions are more than just decor. They're air purifiers, mood enhancers, and a way to connect with nature without stepping outside. Indoor plants, the perfect blend of decor and nature. Finally, making gardens delicious, edible landscapes. Picture this, a garden where every plant offers a feast. More folks are cultivating their own food, reaping the joy of harvest and the peace of knowing it's organic. Edible landscapes, making gardens not just beautiful but tasty too. There you have it, the hottest trends in gardening right now. Remember, sustainable gardening, indoor plants, and edible landscapes are not just popular, they're rewarding endeavors that connect us to nature. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening updates. Happy gardening!